Vlogmas Day 11!
Yeah, as you can see, today is a ridiculous day. I'll tell you more about it in a bit. Look at the winter wonderland that's outside. It's frosty and foggy. Come on up, Bee. Come and see. Oh, that way.
Oh, were you filming?
Yeah, but don't worry. Don't worry. Look, Bee. Have you ever seen? It looks so frosty and foggy. Are you ready, darling? It's Advent time.
What day is it today? What day is it, Mummy?
The 11th.
You're going in backwards. Whoops.
Someone is full of beans this morning. So it's the 11th, Bee. So you're looking for 2 ones. Okay, if you're doing it backwards, then you're looking for 2 ones backwards. Can you see 2 ones? 11. So look, yesterday was, look, there was 10. So where's 11? There you go. Oh, what's in there?
Is there a clue?
There's a clue. Okay. Are you ready, my gorgeous one? 11th of December.
That's Mummy's phone.
It is my phone, you're right. Okay. When it's this cold, we must cover up down to our feet. But the Sylvanians like a special treat. As it's summer always in their hearts, it's time for a brand new part. So head to the place you like to dream and meet a new friend who sells ice cream. Where's the place you like
Where
to
do you
dream?
go to dream, Bee?
Bee?
Oh, that's just you on the camera, my love.
Beep, beep.
Oh, but where do you go to dream?
Where do you go to dream, darling? Go on then, have a look. To meet a new friend who sells ice cream.
Oh, have you found it?
Who's that?
Come down and show us.
A rabbit.
Is it a rabbit? Has he got something with him?
Ice cream.
Yeah, shall we have a look? Do you want me to open it and you can have a look?
Yes, please, Mum.
Okay.
I got ice cream.
What? See?
You are. How are you holding an ice cream?
Because she was already looking out. She already had one. But she was like, I've got 4 things. And she's kept the ice cream in her hand, which was very clever. Look at this, darling.
Whoa.
I got.
Is there a little rabbit selling ice cream?
I got a customer.
You've got a customer already.
Shout out to the Toy Project, by the way, which
cream.
basically all our Advent gifts are from. They're amazing.
And a bag. A shopping bag.
Oh, well, see, Bee, you've got everything you need. And look at all these lights. And
There's
I
even a basket.
think, how do we think this opened?
How
Oh,
Oh.
look at that. And you put all the ice creams in.
That's incredible.
Oh, where is ice cream?
The dollops of ice cream.
Mm.
There's
Well,
just
You got
a
one there.
cone.
There you go. Your one fit.
That's not tiny.
Well, we'll have to use our imagination, won't we?
Right, Bee, before you start playing with it, can you just shout Happy 11th of December?
Happy 11th of December, everyone.
Yay!
Go to the post box and I sent my
So when we have people over, I do think that I like to call moving the mess into the room we can close. So all of this, I'm going to move into the bedroom. We're out here again. Roof piece number 1, so nearly done. Hey guys, today is a ridiculous day. It's ridiculous. So my lovely parents are here, and I got a takeaway roast because there's like no way I was going to cook. You can't even see the state of this kitchen. But there's huge plastic boxes here that we have to keep moving around, which has got my sewing stuff in it because it got too cold to leave it outside. Anyway, I'm laughing because it's just all ridiculous. So then I was halfway through this takeaway race. There wasn't enough to go around at all. We're all a bit hungry. So I was like, oh, I've just thought of a pudding we can have. So I am now cutting up slices of the fruitcake that Stephen's mum very kindly made for us, sticking it in the oven, and I've got some custard. That'll do, won't it? That'll do. But it's just crazy. We have to move things to get to places. The table is far too small for 4 people to have a roast around. Bee's got her own little place. It's really cute, with a little table and chairs set up, and she's singing the Wheels on the Bus Christmas version the whole way through lunch at the top of her lungs. It's just like the kind of day where you think someone should be here that's a script writer, because this is quite a good little movie. It's ridiculous. Okay, right, I'm about to drop some fruit loaf. Yeah, I will keep you posted on what goes on next. Speak to you in a bit. What is it doing?
Snowing.
It's snowing! Oh my goodness!
Look, can you see
Look! It's actually snowing. We literally, Stephen and I, just put the top on. You just shut the door.
That's my
I know, I'm
Oh,
trying
darling,
here, not
that's
you.
not in your eyes. Don't worry.
And then look, you can see the snow.
Oh, wow, snow.
No.
We were just coming out to surprise you, Daddy.
What do you think? Look in Mummy's shed.
So,
I've taken the bolt off, and so we can order a new one.
You're hungry? Is it pasta pesto
Yeah.
night?
The creatures.
Oh, the creatures are hungry. I'm sure they are. Wow, snow.
Wow.
I hope it gets heavier.
I hope it doesn't, because
Oh.
I'm not convinced by how much.
Oh,
that
okay.
tart's
We
gonna
don't want it to get heavy. Wow, that's in my right. That's just in
Look,
the.
I bet it was your magic glitter. Did you release some magic glitter and make it snow?
Oh, look, it's properly snow. Look how big my shadow is. Pull that down again. Look at that.
Make it.
Guys, look, I'm like a big monster.
Okay.
I'm a giant.
Eat some of this. Only pretend to eat some of it.
Ooh, what happens to me now?
You turn into a frog. Ribbit.
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 What happens when you eat it? Is it the same thing?
Ribbit.
Yeah, oh it is. You turn into a
Ribbit.
frog.
Ribbit.
What about if I eat some?
We can.
Can I have a different one?
This one is a person one. Yay!
I've turned into a
I'm
snowman.
It's starting to come down quite heavy.
Have
Yeah.
some.
Right, let's have a look at our first Christmas card of the year. Bee is very much having a pajama day. You're very snuggly in your pajamas. So you at least got... Ooh, let's have a
Did I go for the
look.
wrong thing? Can we see what it says? A partridge in a...
Patches.
Yay!
Dearest Gabby, Stephen and Bee, with all our love from Mummy Judy Nonny or Dad Edward Bupper.
They gave us all the choices. That's a beautiful card. Oh.
Are we going to open the other one?
Yeah, let's do it. And then we're going to watch.
Let me know if you want any help.
What are we going to watch?
Dad.
You're going to watch the Muppets Christmas.
Which is my favourite thing ever. I cry the whole way through it. It's just the best film in the whole. I think it is my favourite film. Okay, go on. Let's see this one.
Dear Gabby and Stephen and Bee, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a healthy 2023. Do hope to see you soon. Much love, Liz.
Oh, that's Auntie Liz.
Look at the puffins from
Can
Puffin
I
Rock.
see?
Puffins in the snow.
Oh, it's a beautiful card.
Puffins from Puffin Rock. When Amber Starman, even a snowy, snowy day.
Yay!
Oh, Bee, did you enjoy it?
Flying through the winter and snow and even the nighttime and midday time.
Yay! Hey, so while Stephen reads Bee her bedtime story, I thought I'd better do my advent calendar. It's been such an odd day. Everything feels a little bit out of sorts. But the 11th, it's the 11th. I like this. Ho, ho, ho. Right, it's the 11th of December. Oh. What is this? What is this? A snack wizard. I get snacks in my fabric all the time, actually. So this literally pulls out snags. A snack wizard. Never heard of them, but I'm really looking forward to trying. So it looks like it's got like a grainy grip on it, and you can put the snag and like pull it through. Yeah, really cool. That'll be very, very useful indeed. So, right, I am definitely exhausted at the end of this weekend. It's been a really lovely weekend, but a lot of hard work with the old shed. So yeah, and Bee's been, struggling a bit with it, of course, because we just haven't been around as much as she wants us to be, and that's really unfair and tough on her. So I'm looking forward to having a day tomorrow where Bee's at nursery, so she'll be playing with her friends, and she's so happy there, so that's always brilliant. And I am going to tidy this flat from top to bottom. I'm just going to go for it, because I don't think I have anything I'm meant to be doing tomorrow. I'm sure I do, but that's what I'm going to do just the moment I get back. I'm just going to tidy. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Lots of love. Hope you're well. Take care.